Living in Southern California has its perks. For example, I have access to super authentic Mexican and Korean food.
Yeah, I'm pretty blessed. And if you're talking smack in the comments section, pick your words carefully, because if not, I'll have my boys up in Sacramento defund your broke ass. Anyway, back on topic. Now, if only there was a way to combine the two cuisines. Wait, there is! Korean steak tacos. Korean ingredients on a Mexican flatbread. This just screams LA. Alright, let's begin with the marinade. First up, 1 cup of soy sauce. Oh, and my advice, buy your soy sauce from an Asian grocery store. Seriously, this bottle costs you like $5, $6. If you want to get the same amount at a regular grocery store, you're going to pay upwards of $10. Also, it doesn't come with that stupid little wimpy filter cap. Next, let's add 3 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of gochujang, which is Korean chili paste, 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of sesame oil.
Hey, CRJ from post-production, letting you know to add this one ingredient I forgot, and that is 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic. Cut me some slack, it's my first week back.
And since this is an Asian dish, I gotta add some MSG. Half a teaspoon of MSG specifically. Now, if any orange polo shirt wearers are out there watching this, you probably just went, Fuyo. Well, now I'm going to make you say, Hi-ya, because, and legally I'm required to say this, MSG is an optional ingredient. Your beliefs are based on a bunch of pseudoscience based on anti-Asian racism, but still, it's optional. Alright, whisk everything together. Note to post-production me, Google what oh hell yeah means in Korean. Okay. Alright, next up, let's meat our baker. I have here 2 pounds of thinly sliced ribeye. Specifically, thinly sliced ribeye cut against the grain. Seriously, you have no idea how many times I've seen YouTube chefs make this mistake. Even YouTube's Korean cooking queen, Mang-chi, is guilty of this. Seriously, it doesn't look good when I, a fat Anthony Bourdain wannabe, cooks much more authentic Korean cooking than you. And the only time I've been to Korea was to make a connection at Incheon Airport. I'm a huge dick about this because if you cut with the grain, come cooking time, the muscle fibers are going to tense up and you're going to be chewing on soy sauce flavored rubber. Anyway, with a possible appearance on Drama Alert sometime in the near future, let's get to cooking. And don't worry, this is not blood, this is just that red protein water that seeps out of previously frozen meat. So, YouTube, you better damn well not give me a yellow dollar sign. Anyway, let's add our meat to a bowl. Pour our marinade over it. And, using your hands, separate all the layers of meat. We need as much comprehensive surface coverage as possible. Alright, I don't see any specks of unmarinated beef. I'm going to transfer everything to a smaller bowl. Just make storing easier. And put this in the fridge so it can marinate. 1 hour minimum, 12 max. Alright, it's been slightly more than an hour. My forgetful ass forgot to add in the garlic, so I had to factor that in. But we can begin the process of cooking. Right here I have a nice large frying pan, which I'll set over medium-high heat. All right, let's toss in a little bit of oil. And once that heats up, let's add in our meat. And cook it all the way through. All right, once it's done cooking, let's transfer it to a separate heat-proof plate. All right, with our meat cooked, it's finally time to assemble the taco. So here's what you do.
First, get yourself a warmed up corn tortilla. Then layer on about an ounce or two of our beef. Dab on a little sriracha mayo. And finally, for that crunch, some kimchi.
And wham bam, thank you, señorita. And here we have the wonderful diversity of Southern California on a plate. Only one thing left to do to make it more authentic. There we go. This has been Jay's Cuttin Kitchen. I'm CRJ, making cooking fun and meaning it this time. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, smash the like button. If you really like the video, become a subscriber and hit the bell notification icon. I upload every Friday. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and support me on Patreon. Please like the video. I had to go through the trouble of reshooting this entire thing again.